Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can trade meme coins on Base network safely without any rug pulls or scam. Now please note that none of this is a financial advice. Do your own research before investing or trading meme coins or any other cryptocurrencies. Now before we move on to that, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Mexi Global, which has the lowest fees over here. So as you can see, basically there are zero buying and selling fees for spot, and for future taker only they have like around 0.01% fees, which is the lowest among all the centralized exchanges. And also you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which is up to $30,000. Or alternatively you can use my referral code as crypto505. All the links in the description. Now apart from trading meme coins on Base network safely, you would be also eligible for airdrop on Base network, which I will be showing you. Now there is this new launchpad which is called as swKY launchpad on Base network, and as you can see they have already announced that there would be a season 2 of airdrop. Now if I remember correctly, in season 1 around $64 million worth of airdrop was done to the community, and right now the total airdrop is around 135 million swKY tokens in total, which is 15% of the supply. Now they have this doc where they have mentioned as to how you can go ahead and earn some points on the swKY launchpad in order to potentially qualify for the swKY airdrop. Now if we go ahead and check the drop over here, as you can see for the season 2, the 15% of the overall supply would be airdrop to the community, and I think in total season 1, season 2 and season 3 included 50% would be airdrop. Now there are three ways to earn airdrop points on swKY. The first one is basically going ahead and creating your meme coin. Now I'll exactly go ahead and show you how you can create your meme coin on the swKY launchpad. So basically you can go ahead and create your meme coin for just $3, and there is no need for liquidity, and basically you get the community support from swKY launchpad itself. Now the second option to earn the points is trading meme coins on swKY launchpad. So as you can see, they have mentioned that 50% of your swKY coins buying trading volume converts into airdrop points. So basically the more you trade on their launchpad, more points you would be earning, which would give you a higher allocation of swKY tokens in the future. And the last thing is there are some community activities. So basically you can go ahead and join their Discord server, and you can go and play these mini games. Then you can go ahead and do some chatting, Twitter rates, Farcaster rates and Telegram. So these are the three ways in order to earn the airdrop points. Now if we talk about the swKY launchpad, this is their website over here, and as you can see I've already connected my MetaMask wallet to this website, and these are all the meme coins that are currently available for trading. Now what you can do is basically you can go and sort this out by market cap and by 24-hour volume, 1 hour change, 6 hour change. So you can select whichever token you like, and if you want to go ahead, you can go ahead and trade them. Now if we talk about how it works is basically, and why it's safe, is because there is no pre-sale or team allocation, no honeypots or rug pulls, and 100% of the supply is to the liquidity pool. Now this liquidity pool is securely locked by swKY smart contracts, and it's trusted by Open Zeppelin. So they are guaranteeing that there would be no rug pull, and hopefully this turns out to be a decent launchpad in order to trade meme coins on the Base network. Now here you can go ahead and create your own meme coins. So either you can click over here or click on launch over here. You can simply put in any name that you want. I will name it maybe Pudgy, and ticker you can put anything. Then you can actually make your own logo or create your own logo and upload it over here. You can put a description which is optional, and how many you want to buy. So basically you can put in the amount of supply that you want to buy it yourself, and then you can go ahead and add your social handles for your meme coin. So there is Farcaster, Twitter, Telegram and website, and then simply go ahead and click on create coin. So this will create your meme coin on the swKY launchpad. Now apart from this, there is this point system on their website. For some reason it's not working for me right now. So if I go ahead and click over here, as you can see, it's not getting loaded. I think there is some website problem for now, and this will be resolved soon. So basically you would be able to go ahead and check your points over here. So more the points, more the swKY airdrop allocation you would be getting. So this is how you can safely trade meme coins and also be potentially eligible for WagMe airdrop. And in case if you have any doubts and questions with regards to WagMe Launchpad, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.